Hi, welcome to Nagesh Biology online classes. Those who have not subscribed my channel, please subscribe, like and share to your friends. Now we discuss about a topic tRNA, that is transfer RNA. Total RNAs are different types. That is mRNA, it is one type, tRNA and rRNA. Like this, there are different RNAs play important role in translation process. mRNA full form messenger RNA, tRNA transfer RNA, rRNA ribosomal RNA. All these three RNAs play important role in translation process. Now we discuss about structure of tRNA. And before going to discuss about structure of tRNA, we will discuss about few important points related to tRNA. tRNA, also known as adapter molecule. It is also known as soluble RNA. Transfer RNA. It looks like a clover leaf. That's why it is also called clover leaf RNA. That is clover leaf model proposed by Holy scientists. That's why it is also called clover leaf RNA. Now, it is among all RNAs, it is the smallest RNA. Structure point of view, if you will observe, it has very less number of nucleotides. That's why it is also called smallest RNA, because it is made up of only 80 to 90 nucleotides. When you compare with other RNAs like mRNA, rRNA, it has only entire tRNA, it is made up of 80 to 90 nucleotides. That's why it is also called smallest RNA. Most important point, in total cellular RNA, we are discussing about total different types of RNAs will be there in the cytoplasm of the cell, and total in the entire cell in eukaryotic cell. Total in cellular RNA, tRNA, it will be around 10 to 15%. tRNA, the main important role during translation process, it will bring or it will carry relevant amino acid nearer to protein synthesizing site. Wherever translation process occurs, that for that particular site, the tRNA, it will read the codon, whatever codon found on the mRNA, it will read codon which is present on mRNA, then it will bring relevant amino acid from different places. Its molecular weight, if you will observe, 25,000 Daltons. That is the approximate weight of the tRNA, 25,000 Daltons. tRNA, it has different loops. 3 distinct loops will be there, 1 indistinct loop will be there. tRNA mainly perform 2 functions. It will read with the help of anticodon loop. It will read codon sequences which is present on the mRNA, and as well as it also bring relevant amino acid. So next here 2D image, 2D or 2-dimensional image or 2D structure, that is proposed by a scientist Holy and his colleagues. Holy proposed 2D image. For tRNA structure, Holy, he gave one structure. That model is known as clover leaf model. It is a 2-dimensional image. 2-dimensional image of the tRNA structure proposed by Holy. Next, 3D image. 3D image or 3-dimensional image structure, that is proposed by a scientist, 2 scientists, Kim and Klug. These two scientists, they proposed 3D image of tRNA that appears like inverted L shape. That is the 3D image of the tRNA structure proposed by Kim and Klug. So here we will discuss detailed information about cloverleaf model, which is proposed by the holy scientists. This structure, it is cloverleaf model, which is proposed by holy scientists. According to this cloverleaf model, the tRNA, it has here the 3' end is there, 5' end will be there. So 3' end, there will be unpaired nucleotides will be there. Unpaired. Opposite, we can't find complementary nitrogen bases. These unpaired nucleotides, the sequence is important, CCA end. So here the adenine will be at the 3' end. CCA end will be there at 3' end. Opposite complementary nitrogen bases we can't find. Now it has mainly 4 loops. That loop's name, here the number 1. This is second loop. It is third loop. It is fourth loop. Total number of loops are 4. But in this 3 loops, total loops are 4 loops. In that 3 loops, distinct loops. This one, first loop, second loop, fourth loop. So these loops are distinct loops. The well-developed loops will be there. Distinct loop, clearly visible. One loop, that is indistinct loop, will be there. That is accessory arm or extra arm will be there. Among all these, the first loop, this is right side. This is right side. This right side, whatever loop is will be there, that is called enzyme recognition loop. This is the first loop which is located right side, enzyme recognition loop. This loop, during translation process, it will recognize amino acyl synthetase enzyme. This one, fourth loop, that is the left side. This loop is called ribosome recognition loop. It will recognize the ribosome. Next, here the second loop, this one, anticodon loop. This loop is called anticodon loop. Whatever located exactly opposite to tail, this end, tail opposite end will be their anticodon loop. Anticodon loop that has unpaired 3 nucleotides will be there. So these nitrogen bases are nucleotides. These unpaired nucleotides will be opposite to complementary to codons. Codon will be there on the mRNA, codons. So 3 successive nucleotides which are present on mRNA, that is called codon. So codon complementary nucleotides you can find an anticodon loop. This is anticodon loop, that is a second loop. Next, this third loop, that is indistinct loop, this is called extra arm. This is otherwise known as accessory arm. So this is a indistinct loop that is located on the tRNA. Main important role, tRNA, it has at 3' end. tRNA at 3' end. It will bring a relevant amino acid. So here this end is known as, this particular end is known as amino acid acceptor end, because during translation process amino acid will bind to this 3' end. That's why it is called amino acid acceptor end or amino acid binding site. Any one you can use. Next, this enzyme recognition loop also called DHU loop, dihydroxyuridine loop. This ribosome recognition loop also called TCC loop. So these are the other names for this ribosome recognition loop and enzyme recognition loop. So this total structure is tRNA that appears like clover leaf. This model proposed by R. Holy. According to present concept, number of tRNAs, they are equal to number of sense codons. But sense codons, there will be 61 sense codons will be there. But most important point, there are no tRNAs for stop codons. Stop codons, there are 3 stop codons will be there on mRNA. UAA, UAG, UGA. These are 3 stop codons will be there. There are no tRNAs for stop codon. So for stop codons, whatever stop codons are there, no tRNAs for stop codon. This anticodon loop, it has 3 nucleotides. They are exactly will be complementary to codon which is present on mRNA. But these tRNAs play important role to carry amino acids during translation process.